Okay. Okay, I'm not sure, but we're just going to go with A3. I keep forgetting how big it really is. Wish I could remember. So I'm wondering what we're going to do with this one. So we're just going to do the usual. I wonder what colour we're going to make. It's going to be magenta. Actually, I don't know if it's going to be magenta. So I'm wondering, what colour is this one going to be? We're going to go with the happy colour. I call it yellow. Yellow's called the happy colour. I'm probably doing the wrong thing. I probably should have stuck with, I don't know, it's hard to work out. Okay. I'm wondering if we get rid of brightness. We're just going to add the contrast, a little bit of contrast. We're not using red, green and blue, so we're going to use copy density as what we adjust with. So let's see if we've done, this is a bit different from what I have been doing of late. Let's see what this is. This is a Mossman Daily, but we're going to keep this advertisement in front, the beeline. That looks like a really nice bus to ride. So hopefully at some stage I'll visit my father in Mona Vale, which is the suburb this goes to. Now this is a bit bigger than a B4 and a bit smaller. It's an odd size, just a bit longer than an A4 and a bit shorter than an A3, whatever. It's stupid. I hate these odd sizes. But yeah, I'd like to try the beeline. That would be a nice cruise, especially up the top on the upper deck. I haven't been on a double decker for how long? It's been more than 30 something years since they last had double deckers. Okay, let's see. We're going to shrink it a little bit on the X. So we're going to make this part the horizontal. So I'm just wondering. Yeah, we're a bit bigger than an A4, so we're going to shrink it a little bit. So we're going to call it, I think 90%. And we're going to have to reduce, yeah, this is all reduction. So this is going to be a larger reduction. So I don't know how big we're going to make this one. So going to make this one 87. Oops. You just put too many zeros and just went a bit ape shit. So I'm thinking 87 and 90. There's no difference. There has to be bigger than that. Sometimes I wonder how I can be intuitive and I always keep fucking it up. So I'm trying to think. It's got to be in the 60s. So we're going to make this one. Oh, I don't know. I'm fucked. No, it's not going to be that size. It's got to be between 70.7 and 80. So how small we're going to make this one? I'm going to make it 80%. I don't know if this is fucking going to work. I'm not able to. I'm not very good with mental arithmetic and all that sort of shit. I'm hopeless at that stuff. So let's see if this has come up a treat or if this is just another... so annoying. I find it difficult trying to work these odd originals out. I really hate these odd sizes. They're fucking awful. But anyway, that looks quite nice. The yellow looks nice, but unfortunately the bus looks a bit shit, but she looks alright. So I'm thinking we could do something different. We can make a better one. So we got the sizing correct, which I'm surprised. Now yellow's too doesn't go, the bus just fades out. So we're going to make it red, and we're going to go here. We're going to have to kill off the contrast because we can't use brightness anymore. Yeah, we are using brightness. Correction, we killed off the copy density. We're now going for the brightness. But the contrast is gone, so we have to live without the contrast. And maybe the magenta to make the red more red. And that red's full. So, I don't know how this is going to look. Anyway, the yellow came up a treat. It came up solid. So let's see if we can make the red nice and solid. And I've got bloody sweat. It's so hot. It's so annoying. I really hate this bloody unair conditioned bullshit, but I fucking can't afford the power. It's too expensive, like everything in this fucking world. It's too fucking expensive. And when you don't have as much money as some people have, well, what can I say? It sucks shit. But anyway, we've made it really red, but I think we can call that quits. The bus looks a lot better defined. It could be a lot better, but I think we'll call that quits.